My name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to stake your lower strut to suspension knuckle connection. Now, not on this particular vehicle, but on most vehicles out there, these bolt holes will be elongated, which will allow an alignment angle to be adjusted there. The angle that they will adjust there is called camber. If these bolt holes are elongated, it will allow the wheel to pitch in and out. When you disassemble this, if you don't have the original positions marked, when you have it all put back together, you're going to have to see a professional mechanic with an alignment machine to reset that angle for you. So to avoid incurring that additional cost, what you're going to do is stake these bolts, just so you know where to put them back to when reassembly. You can either use a can of spray paint and paint the connection just to leave you a mark, but then you'll have to wait for the paint to dry before you can work on it. I use a chisel from my old broken air hammer, and what I'll do is just line up between the strut and the knuckle and give it a swat. That will put marks there that I can then line up on reassembly. It doesn't really matter where you put your marks as long as you can see them. You want to use two, one on the upper bolt and one on the lower bolt. Like I said, on this particular vehicle, the adjustment is made on the inside here, but on most vehicles, the adjustment is made down here.